That is a new hot water heater put in 2024. The roof on the home was also put on in the year 2024. Walking back off into the kitchen. Welcome, friends. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's another open house tour of a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom Courtyard Villa located here near Spanish Springs. Let's go inside and take a look. Here we are, friends. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's another open house video of a Courtyard Villa. This is a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom block and stucco home located here in the village of Orange Blossom Gardens. This is very near Spanish Springs Town Square, probably a 5-minute golf cart ride. I will start by taking a panoramic view of the street. That, my friends, is your view of the street facing south. This is the view of your street facing north. This home does have a stone landscape design. I do notice that the driveway is cement and in very good condition. This home is located here in Orange Blossom Gardens. It does have a 1.5 car garage. And as always, friends, please contact the listing agent, Nan Robinson, at Coldwell Banker if you have any questions about this home. There is the stone landscaping on this home. Let's take a walk inside the home. I do see the concrete sidewalk leading into the front of this home. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Hi, Nan, how are you?
I'm just fine. Welcome home.
Thank you. Can you describe the home a little bit, the price and where it's located?
Yes, we just reduced the price to $320. It is just off of the El Cortez Gate in Rio Grande, and it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, stretched, so it's 1,268 square feet. It has a private patio, and it's a corner lot. It's totally turnkey.
It's a turnkey home. Okay, is this the village of Orange Blossom, or is this a different village?
This is Orange Blossom.
This is in the village of Orange Blossom Gardens. Okay, Nan, thank you. I'll walk through the home and I will describe what I see. I am standing here in the foyer area, friends, and the first thing I notice is that beautiful ceramic tile floor. Very open space as well. This home does have acoustic textured ceilings. The list price is $320,000. It is a turnkey home, meaning what you see will go with the home. Let's take a walk through the rest of this home. The back of the home does face east, friends. So the lanai does face east. You do see that is a guest bathroom over there. You do have a primary bedroom over there as well. This home shows very well. You do notice that there are tile floors in the lanai. Very nice. That is a sliding patio door that leads into the primary bedroom. Very comfortable east-facing lanai. It does have windows in it. Very nice. Let's take a walk to the backyard. This is a Courtyard Villa, friends, located very near Spanish Springs Town Square. This is the side of the home. You do have mature landscaping. This is the backyard of the home. Right there, mature landscaping. The roof was put on, friends, in the year 2024. Just to give you an idea, it's very comfortable back here. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look at the primary bedroom and see what that has to offer. I'll walk into the primary bedroom next, friends. This is a panoramic view of the living, dining, and kitchen area. Very nice, very light home. This is the primary bedroom. It does have the ceramic tile floors continuing. That is a king-size wood sleigh bed. To give you perspective, friends, it does have acoustic textured ceilings. Very nice size room. I will walk to this side of the room to show you the patio door that leads out into the lanai. You do have adequate room on either side of that king-size bed. It does have raised panel, 6-panel doors. The walk-in closet does have ceramic tile floors. Looks like it has new paint as well. Wire rack shelves in that walk-in closet. The primary bathroom has the ceramic tile floors. It has one sink. Lots of upgrades in this home, friends. That is your shower there. That appears to be either a 36-inch or 32-inch shower. As always, friends, please contact your listing agent, Nan Robinson, if you have any questions. That is your shower. It is either plastic or fiberglass. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I do appreciate it. Let's take a walk out into the guest area. And then after the guest area, we will look in the kitchen. See, here's your guest quarters. It has a guest bathroom. The ceramic tile floors continue into the guest bathroom. It has white cabinets, one sink, very bright, acoustic textured ceilings. It does have a tub and shower module, and that is made of plastic or fiberglass. Very nice neutral color. Here is a guest bedroom, ceramic tile floors. This is located in the front of the home. That appears to be a double bed, I believe. Please contact the listing agent if you have any questions about the size of the rooms and the room dimensions. Very large window in this guest bathroom. It has sliding raised panel, 6-panel doors on the closet as well, friends. That is your closet. You can see the ceramic tile does continue in the closet. Closet has wire rack shelves as well. Let's continue, friends. Let's go into the kitchen area. This is a panoramic view of the kitchen and dining area. These countertops in the kitchen, friends, are quartz countertops. It does have a 2-bowl stainless sink. Cabinets have glass in them. It looks like it has a subway tile backsplash as well. Very nice. This kitchen has an electric range. Look at all the subway tile on that wall. Let's take a walk out into the 1.5 car garage. This is the 1.5 car garage. It looks like it has a painted floor on the garage as well. That is your garage. This is a block and stucco home. And it is located in the village of Orange Blossom Gardens. It does have laundry in the garage. This garage ceiling seems extra high to me. It has acoustic textured ceilings as well. Has a hot water heater over there, friends. That is a new hot water heater put in 2024. The roof on the home was also put on in the year 2024. Walking back off into the kitchen. I will video the specification sheet, friends, to give you an idea of what this home has to offer. Here is the specification sheet. Please contact Nan Robinson at Coldwell Banker Realty. The location is 811 Alvarado Pl in the Villages, Florida. List price is $320,000. It is a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom courtyard villa with a new water heater and a new roof. As always, friends, feel free to pause the video to read the specification sheet. And there you have it, friends. I will now walk out into the street. I did give you a panoramic view of the street and the directions earlier in the video. That is one last panoramic view of the interior of this home. Very comfortable home located very near Spanish Springs Town Square. Less than a 5-minute golf cart ride to Spanish Springs. Roughly a 10-minute golf cart ride to Lake Sumter Landing as well. There you have it, friends. Let's walk out to the street. I will give you one last view of this home. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I do appreciate it. As always, friends, if you have any questions about this home, please contact the listing agent, Nan Robinson at Coldwell Banker Realty. That is her information. I will include her contact information in the description of the video. One thing I didn't mention earlier is that this home is on a corner lot, very large corner lot. That is your home, friends. 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, courtyard villa made of block and stucco. List price $320,000. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Have a great weekend, everyone. Thank you for taking this home tour with me of a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom courtyard villa made of block and stucco, located here in the village of Orange Blossom Gardens. Have a great weekend, everybody.